How to turn on smart backup on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the smart backup option on Snapchat. So first thing you have to do is just go to your Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your avatar like this. Now go to the top corner again and click on the settings option. Now all what you have to do is just scroll down until you find the memories option. Click on memories, and right here you will find the smart backup option, and you can turn it on from here. Very easy and fast. Please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.